Hello everyone. My name is Soundarya. I'm from Indian Institute of Management, Tiruchirappalli. I'll be talking about the impact of COVID-19 on the Indian education sector. We are already aware that the pandemic disrupted normal life and affected various sectors worldwide. The education sector has been largely affected ever since the onset of the pandemic. In India, when the lockdown was announced in March of 2020, the schools and colleges across the nation were temporarily shut. There were large uncertainties regarding board exams and entrance exams, which was a huge concern for the parents and the students. The students who were pursuing the final year of their post graduation or graduation also found difficulties in finding placement or internship opportunities. Also, the number of students opting to go abroad for higher education reduced. The pandemic did not just pose challenges for students and parents, but also for faculty and employees of various educational institutions, increasing the risk of salary reductions or even layoffs. Various educational institutions had to delay the admission process for the academic year due to situational constraints. This onset of the pandemic led many educational institutions to look for alternative approaches to conduct classes, and many schools and colleges started conducting classes online using various digital platforms. So, in order to meet the need of this online technology, the educational institutions had to remodel the syllabus, curriculum, the assessment methods, and the learning pedagogy in their education systems. However, in India today, still 1.5 million schools are still closed due to the pandemic. In India, still only 24% of households have access to internet connection. So India is not very well equipped for this large scale digital transformation in the education sector. For a seamless learning experience, a student must have access to a stable internet connection and an electricity connection. Frequent power cuts can hamper the learning process. So, necessary steps have to be put forth in order to ensure every student has a smooth learning process. Even teachers have started to train themselves and to be aware of the online platforms and modify their teaching techniques to suit the online needs. The COVID 19 pandemic has also affected the education sector in indirect ways. The parents of the students also face the risk of salary reductions or layoffs. This in turn makes it difficult for them to pay fees for the school or college. So, this situation can reduce the enrollments or increase the chance of dropouts. This impact of COVID 19 on the education sector has affected the human capital of the country, and also in the long run, in the coming years, it will reduce the economic opportunities in our country. Even though the lockdown rules were relaxed and permission was granted for certain schools and colleges to operate with limited capacity, parents were still scared to send their children to schools due to the fear of infection. And today, with the fear of an incoming second wave, the future still seems uncertain. However, various online digital platforms have been steadily growing, and platforms like Zoom and Google Meets have been used extensively by the students and teaching faculty and various educational institutions on a much larger scale than it was at the beginning. And government has been constantly taking measures to tackle various challenges and bringing innovative new technologies to ensure that every student gets access to a good seamless education in the country. Thank you.